Today we're eating some butternut squash that Mommy made for me. Here, Ashton. You like that? I think you like your bib better, huh? You want to try some more? What do you think? What do you think? Ashton. Whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You got it all over your hand now. Hey. You want to, I know you want some more, but you gotta, there we go. Look, check it out. Mmm. Is that good? Mmm. So much for the bib, huh? Look. What are you doing, silly? Silly, you want to eat this or do you want to eat your bib? Silly boy, you want this? Okay, we're done for now.